Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 21st, 2025, we're dissecting BoE, considering both the latest market news and the chart's intricate dance. We will cover the market news based on the Google search info I provide, and also give a detailed analysis of the charts. Recent headlines show the pound sterling to US dollar soaring to a yearly high after the UK's CPI exceeded expectations. The latest reading showed CPI hitting 3.5%, forcing markets to reevaluate the likelihood of rate cuts by the BoE. This significantly impacts our analysis, so let's delve into the charts to see how this plays out. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a clear uptrend forming from around January 2025, with the pair consistently making higher highs and higher lows. The recent surge aligns with the news regarding the higher-than-expected UK CPI, which has strengthened the pound. We can see that the pair has reached approximately 1.3470, but is now trading around 1.3396. There is recent choppiness, indicating some uncertainty in the market. This suggests a potential area of resistance around that 1.3470 level. Now, let's narrow our focus to the more recent price action using the 1-hour chart, as this will provide a closer view of the shorter-term trends. This will help us identify more immediate support and resistance levels. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that after the recent high, there's been a slight pullback. This could be a healthy correction before another leg up, or it could signal the beginning of a more significant reversal. There could be a support around 1.335, but that may not be stable. Let's switch to the 15-minute chart for a more granular view of recent activity. This time frame is helpful for identifying immediate entry and exit points. It's important to note that volatility tends to be higher on this time frame, and it's often a good time to cross-reference the broader 1-hour and daily trends. Okay, on the 15-minute chart, we can see a lot of choppy sideways action. If we hone in on the most recent candles from today, May 20th, 2025, we can see some resistance around 1.3393. It's been unable to push upward, and there has been some small amount of downward movement since then. It seems there are currently more sellers than buyers. Considering the news of rising UK inflation and the potential for fewer BoE rate cuts, the medium-term outlook for BoE is cautiously bullish. However, in the short term, we need to watch for a potential breakout above the 1.3470 resistance level on the daily chart. If the BoE pair fails to break through this resistance, we might see a pullback towards the 1.33 level, where the support zone lies. Keep an eye on upcoming UK data releases and any further developments in the US-China trade situation, as these could significantly influence the pair's movement. In summary, key price levels to watch are the resistance around 1.3470 and support in the 1.3300 range. A breakout above 1.3470 would suggest a continuation of the uptrend, while a break below 1.33 would indicate further downside potential. Currently, there is a moderate 50% chance that the pair will reach 1.35 in the next month if the UK economic data continues to be positive. It's about a 30% chance that the pair will fall below 1.32 if there's a major negative economic event. Be sure to monitor the Relative Strength Index, RSI, on all the charts and set your stop losses and take profits appropriately. Thank you for tuning in to Explain the Charts. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.